Our overall health and wellness are impacted by a variety of factors, and the human body is very complex. In school, we are taught about the integrated set of systems within the human body. Each system relies on the others to help keep the body functioning. But one essential system is rarely taught: the endocannabinoid system. See, this system wasn't discovered until early 1990s. The endocannabinoid system is a network of receptors spread throughout the body. This network of receptors controls many vital life functions, including the immune system, memory, appetite, sleep patterns, mood, anxiety, stress, inflammation, and pain sensation. The body's ECS promotes biological balance in every cell, tissue, and organ. Experts believe that its overall function is to regulate homeostasis. Homeostasis is a key element in the biology of all living things. It is best described as the ability to maintain stable internal conditions that are necessary for survival. The endocannabinoid system includes two cell receptors. CB1 receptors are found throughout the body, but are mostly present in the brain and spinal cord. They are concentrated in brain regions associated with the behaviors they influence. For example, there are CB1 receptors in the hypothalamus, which is involved with appetite regulation, and the amygdala, which plays a role in memory and emotional processing. CB1 receptors are also found in nerve endings, where they act to reduce sensations of pain. CB2 receptors tend to be found in the peripheral nervous system. They are especially concentrated in immune cells. When CB2 receptors are activated, they work to reduce inflammation. The ECS can be activated by endocannabinoids produced naturally within the body, or by phytocannabinoids, plant-based cannabinoids that mimic those produced in the body. Endocannabinoid deficiency can occur as a result of poor diet, lack of exercise, drug abuse, environmental toxins, chronic stress, and compromised health. When deficient, supplementing with phytocannabinoids has shown to be beneficial for wellness. The cannabis plant has many naturally occurring cannabinoids, with THC and CBD being the most well-known. Some research shows that there are over 100 cannabinoids along with terpenes, fatty acids, and other beneficial elements of the plant.